How's it going, 3D printers? Andrew Sink here, and this is the Flexi. And despite its name, this is not printed in a flexible material. Instead, it's printed in a standard PLA plastic. This one was printed in Polylite PLA. The Flexi gets its name for the hinge that runs through the spine of the model, which allows it to move back and forth. The original model was uploaded by Dr. Lex, and it's made to print out in a single color in a single piece. And I recently got my hands on the Dual Extruder V3 from Lulzbot, and I thought it would be cool to take this model and convert it into a 2-color model to print out on my printer. So I used the open source program Blender to turn this into 2 different models that I could use in Cura and print out. So in this video I'm going to show you how I did it and how you can turn any model like this into a model that you can print with a 2-color printer. Alright, you ready? Let's dive in. Okay, so here we are in Blender, and I've loaded the Flexi into the program. So this is one STL, so you can see that if I move it around, this is still just one file. So the first thing that we're gonna do is we're gonna copy this. So I'm just gonna Command C and Command V, and I'm just gonna drag that duplicate up. And now we have 2, and these are identical duplicates. And there's a reason for that. So first we're going to select this one here, and what we're going to do is we're going to go into edit mode. And we want to make sure that you come down here and select edge, select, and now right click on any edge, and then hold down Control and press L, and you'll see it actually selects the entire joint. And what that does is you're actually selecting all attached vertices. So it's touching all of the individual pieces that are attached to the edge that you selected. And because these joints don't touch each other, they're all sort of independent, you're only going to select this one. So once you've selected all of those, select delete vertices, and you can see it deletes it. And now you've got this big gap here. So now skip one and then repeat the process. And we're gonna go do that for all of these. Alright, there we go. Now we've deleted every other piece. So we have our first color print ready to go. And that's our first STL. So now we're gonna go up here to the second part. We're gonna go back into object mode and then select the top one and then repeat the process. And then go back into object mode. And so now you have these 2 pieces here. So we're gonna grab this and we're gonna drag it right back to the beginning. And now this part, you can just go ahead and line it up. And now you're looking at your Flexi optimized for 2-color printing. So you can see when you select everything in Blender by pressing A, there's actually 2 parts here. So when you right click, you can see both of those. So what we can do is we can actually right click one and then export as an STL, and then do the same thing for the other piece. And now we've exported 2 separate pieces. So you have both parts ready to print. So now that those are ready, let's go ahead and print them out. I printed this model out on my Lulzbot Taz 6, and I used Cura for slicing. So to select the colors, I clicked on the first model and select Extruder 1, and then click on the second model and select Extruder 2. And now we're just going to go ahead and merge those, and you'll see now the model's been optimized for that 2-color printing. So it's going to print each model with a different extruder. Overall, this is a really fun model, and if you make one of these, don't forget to publish your make. I've included a link in the description of this video, so you can download one of these and make your own. As always, thanks for watching, and have fun printing.